my name is Joni, holistic health teacher, coach, and consultant. My intention here is to bring you digestible snippets of basic holistic health habits to improve your health and well-being. We need your clear mind, healthy body, open heart, and bright eyes now more than ever. Today we're going to talk about sound. 3 ways to use sound to better your brain. Sound is something that can easily be added into your day to help you better focus, tap into your intuition, find inspiration, heal, and perform. Several years ago, I was introduced to binaural beats. Because not all music is created equally in this department, I was later better schooled by high-performance people who train and consult the heads of Google and other Silicon Valley execs, Navy SEALs, professional athletes, and artists on what kinds of functional sound and music to use, coupled with other techniques, which made all the difference in the world. Essentially, we're talking about allowing populations of neurons to engage in various kinds of coordinated activity in our brains. Now, there's a lot out there these days when it comes to binaural and non-binaural beats, and some experts say one offering is better than another, but today, just start to experiment. We always have to simply start where we are. The key word being start. In my experience with back-to-back clients all day, using sound, I was better able to focus and perform efficiently and effectively without going into overwhelm. I would use this method of sound while performing administrative and marketing tasks until moving into client sessions, where I deeply listen to clients, not sounds, and then into the evening to complete follow-up work for same clients. I would use sound to support these long days of work and then to wind down as well so that I could release the energies of all of these humans and sleep. Our brains are affected by different sound and resonance, and I think this is one of the coolest things out there in recent years, and so grateful to the neuroscientists and friends who are continually sharing this intel and sound with us. When sounds resonate for us, it's because we're finding connection, symbiosis, and homeostasis, which is pretty much the end goal of our overall holistic health. Returning to homeostasis. This is balance. So clearly, working with sound can have a lasting impact. Since my intention with this sharing of information here on these channels is to reach those in need who've not had the opportunity to discover this yet, the first couple places I suggest you can go to experiment for free is, number one, places like YouTube or any place that streams, even better, library TV, lbry.tv. Search for binaural beats or for music to meditate, focus, improve mood, etc. And look for specific megahertz within the title of the video. That's the little capital H, lowercase z, you'll see coupled behind numbers. You can start to learn about how different music based on the megahertz can support you. Spotify and SoundCloud are also superb locations for these offerings. Number 2, Brain FM. So that's Brain, BRAIN.FM. That's the website. This was my first intro to scientifically researched binaural beats, and now many years later, they're citing non-binaural beats. There's still a 2-week trial you can drop into, so check them out. I'm not connected to them or benefiting from them in any way by naming them, but I'll link them below. And then number 3, sound bowls. Ancient wisdom always leads us to the roots of bettering our lives, while also keeping an eye on modern spiritual mechanics as we all evolve. That's my personal take, at least, is to tap into the ancient wisdom, but also be open to what serves us as we evolve, right? So look for sound bowl meditations and healings at your local yoga studios and wellness establishments once we can gather together again, at least. Until then, you can certainly find many online, as there are so many talented professionals offering this modality to support our recalibration and realignment. So part of holistic health, when we don't have much to work with, especially in a year like this when people are being hit so hard financially, is to become a lot more resourceful. Superman isn't coming to save anyone, and anyone fortunate enough to have a phone or a laptop can begin this process of holistic healing today. The fact that sound can better support us during this time is simply amazing. There's certainly other options out there. I'm just presenting 3 that can be pretty easily accessed today. I'll leave you with a question today just for fun. What kind of sonic environment do you need to be more focused, creative, and in flow, and therefore more impactful? Here's a hint. Sound is not only about music or beats. We are all very different creatures, so there's a lot more to it. I hope you find inspiration in this post. This is a big topic for me. I've become very particular about how my day is organized in order to best serve others, and sound is very much a part of it. Thank you for joining. I appreciate your time and energy and your commitment to you. And hopefully in the near future, we'll be able to celebrate sound together on the dance floor. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel so that more people can find ways to feel better today. Thank you for being here, and be well.